Hello and welcome to the video demo of my CLI Data Gem project. For my project I decided to use classified advertisements, and in this case specifically I went for car listings from newsday.com, and also I chose boat listings from boattrader.com. Each of the websites has a summary results page. I hard-coded the URL queries into my application for each of the sites. As a future enhancement, I could allow the user to enter some of the query criteria, but in this case I didn't do that. Each site has a list of summary descriptions, and then they have a link that goes down to the details for each of the listings. So we'll go to the application. I've installed it as a gem, so we'll just fire it up. And the first thing it does is it asks you what kind of items you're looking for. In this case we'll pick automobile to get started, and it presents you a summary list. So I did put in, I had been working on a small laptop, so I did put in a configurable item for the page size, so that's adjustable. In this case we'll leave it at the default of 10, and as you hit enter it scrolls through 10 at a time, each of the listings up to the 50, and then it goes back to the beginning again. There is a help command for the commands that I put in. In this case, if you want to see the details, you enter the listing number. By choosing I, you can change the item type. That was automobile or boat. Terminate the program queue, and of course this help file was H. So we'll drill down on number 11, the Chevy Silverado, and it goes out to the detail page, comes in and scrapes that. I scraped all the data from the detail page into a hash and then formatted it for display into a 2-column output, except for description, which I had spanned both columns for readability. It pauses, you hit enter to continue, and then you're back to the list again. We can switch over to boat. It's the same functionality as for automobile. Once again it presents a list of summaries, and we can drill down, goes out to the details, and gives you a 2-column display for the scrape details. And I had a whole bunch of other enhancements I'd like to make, but all good things must come to an end, and it was time to wrap this up. And thank you for your time. Goodbye.